Hi friends, hope you are doing great. If you are new to Google Cloud, no worries, we can learn the fundamental of Google Cloud. So today we are going to see the cloud storage bucket by using the gsutil command. How to perform basic tasks in cloud storage using the gsutil command line tool. So gsutil, it's a Python object. Today we are going to create a bucket, copying file from one bucket to another bucket, list contents of a bucket or folder, list details for an object, make the objects publicly accessible, give someone access to your bucket, and finally delete an object and bucket also. Okay, so we'll go to the lab. Okay, so this is the Google Cloud Console. So today we are going to see the cloud storage. So in this storage, we have to select the storage. Then here we have to go to the browser. See friends, we have not yet created any bucket here. So we are going to create a bucket by using the gsutil command. Okay, so activate the cloud shell. We have to click this activate the cloud shell. Provisioning, so establishing the connection to your cloud, Google Cloud. So we came to the cloud shell. Now we are going to create the bucket by using the gsutil command. So cloud storage, this is so we are going to create a bucket. So buckets are the basic containers that hold our data in cloud storage. Create a bucket by using the command only gsutil mb -b on -l us -east one, then gs. We have to give the bucket name. So just copy this command and go to the cloud shell and just paste it here. Use the gsutil command and a unique name to create a bucket. This uses a bucket named my awesome bucket. You must choose your own globally unique bucket name. So if you are giving this bucket name, I am giving the bucket name as my awesome bucket. So this bucket already exists. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to give some other bucket name. So I am giving the bucket name as Madurai bucket 1. So I am giving the name as Madurai bucket 1. Just give enter. Yes, creating the bucket name has been created now. If the successful, the command returns like that only, creating this bucket name. We have done, we have successfully created the bucket name now. Okay, so what we are going to do means we are going to check whether the bucket has been created or not. So just click refresh here. So just click refresh here in the console. See friends, Madurai bucket 1 has been created now. So what I'm going to do means now I'm going to upload a files from my desktop. So just click upload files. So kitchen png, just I'm uploading the file. This image only I'm uploading. It is uploading now. One file has been uploaded successfully now. Okay, fine. So then we will go to the next, copying file from one bucket to another bucket. So how to do that? So just we have to create one more bucket here. So just I'm giving the name as Madurai bucket 2. Okay, the bucket has been created now. gsutil mb -b on, then -l, it's a location. Then we have to give the bucket name. So bucket has been, second bucket has been created now. If you want, you can check it here. So go to the bucket details in the console. Okay, fine, the two buckets has been created now. In the bucket one, we have uploaded one file. In bucket 2, we have not yet uploaded any files. So now what we are going to do means we are going to copy the files from the bucket 1 to bucket 2. You can see friends, bucket 2, there is no files here. Okay, so I am going to use the commands now. So by using this command, we can copy the files from the bucket 1 to bucket 2. We have to give the source bucket and destination bucket name. So source bucket, it's a Madurai bucket 1. So here I need to give the bucket source bucket. Just remove this one, just I'm updating this one. Okay, Madurai bucket 1. Then we have to give the slash, forward slash and star here, and here we have to give the designation bucket, then forward slash. See friends, gsutil copy command cp gsutil gs Madurai bucket 1, this is a source bucket, and we have to give the forward slash and star. So if you are giving star, then all files will be copied and it will be moved, not moved, it will be saved, it will be copied to this bucket source. So from source to destination bucket, just I'm giving the enter now. Command exception, cp command does not support provide only URL. Okay, let me troubleshoot this one. We have to give this command -r and -v. This is recursively copied. The all permissions will be copied. So I'm giving this permissions. Just give this one and -r, then -b. We have to give this -r, -b, then just enter now. Waste of my time.